Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about WAGNER's fence and decking sprayer. Now, the cleaning up is very important. Start off by unscrewing the bottom reservoir off the attachment. If you have any paint left in here, pour it back into the main tin. It can be reused. I'm going to pour some water into that. Just let that soak for a moment, and then you have to start to take the sections apart. So removing the suction tube, unscrewing the nozzle. Great thing is you don't need any tools whatsoever to take this apart. It's all done by hand. There's usually 3 sections there, and you do have your little washer in there too, and you have your needle here where it's going to be surrounded by paint. So start off by rinsing that through under the tap, making sure that this area here is completely clean from paint. You've got no paint in here and nor down here. You can turn the tap on, it projects that water through the suction tube until it starts to show it's clean coming out of the bottom. And now you've just got the actual reservoir itself. You'll find that the reservoir is nice and smooth inside. It's been machined, so it's very easy to clean. Now you've cleaned all the parts and you're happy that you've removed all the paint, you can fill that up with warm water and then start to reassemble the nozzles, making sure they're realigning up with the notches that are set just on the inside of here. This is placed on the top, nice and loose. Then you screw the union nut back onto the top, tighten it up by hand, and then put the suction tube back in place. Screw it nice and tight, and then you can plug that back in again and spray all the clean water through the nozzle to make sure there is no paint left on. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.